World Auto Forum presents Voice of Auto Dealer, powered by FADA.
Yeah, I am FR Singhvi, Joint Managing Director of Sansera Engineering, and I was the President of Automotive Skill Development Corporation till yesterday. And with regard to the future of auto industry in India, as regards auto retail program that I'm here, I'm so happy to see that many people enthusiastic, very positive about auto business going forward for the next 5 years. And for auto retail to succeed, the auto manufacturing has to first do well. And today in auto manufacturing, the whole dimensions have changed as far as technology is concerned. We have multiple technologies as compared to what was 7 to 8 years ago, that you have IC engine and diesel engine. But today with EVs again, there are so many other technologies, alternate fuel technologies. So that brings in a great amount of opportunity for Indians to innovate, develop new products under the new technologies and become at par with global companies. And for that to do, the main challenges that we have today is on skill. You need right people for the right job, and the skill is not something that can be developed in a very short period. So for that, the auto industry has to work on with colleges and universities and the government to see how industry-related skills are brought into the curriculum in the colleges, and thereby we have more and more such people coming in for auto industry. Added to that, the new challenges that come is introduction of AI coming into our lives. That has its own advantages and disadvantages. The disadvantage would be that people who are not tuned to the new technologies would probably have a chance of losing jobs. So upskilling is necessary in the new technologies. At the same time, AI is also bringing in far more understanding, learning, data analytics, which will help in forecasting in a better manner, working out and getting better results in a shorter time. So with India's story of being a country which has excelled in automotive quality with low cost, there's a huge opportunity of global business, and with the economic improvement in the country, auto sector would do well with the economic GDP going up, per capita going up, and the technology upgradation that is happening. I'm looking forward to a global quality supplies in the country for the common man.